Students, this is a student doubt and let's read this statement. What mass of mercury has the same number of atoms as 64.2 grams of calcium? In this question, you have 64.2 grams of calcium and you have to find the mass of mercury that will have the same number of atoms as we are having in 64.2 grams of calcium. Right. So in this question, we'll use a relation, that is atomic mass equal to Avogadro number of atoms to apply the unitary method, right? So first of all, we'll find the number of atoms present in 64.2 grams of calcium, right? For this, we'll apply unitary method over here. The atomic mass of calcium will carry Avogadro number of atoms, right? So that means 40 gram per mole. That is the atomic mass of calcium. Of calcium contains atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right? So I have to find this in 64.2 grams, right? So definitely 64.2 gram of calcium contains atoms equal to, now I am applying unitary method, so definitely the value on the right side will be in numerator. So Avogadro number of atoms, that are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole, right, divided by the first value on the left side, 40 gram per mole, into second value 64.2 gram, right? I'll cancel this mole inverse with this, gram with this, right? So 6.022 into 64.2, the answer will be 386.61, and this 10 raised to power 23 will be written with it, right? So divided by 40. So 386.61 divided by 40, the answer will be 9.665 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. That means in 64.2 grams of calcium, we are having 9.665 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right? We have to find the mass of mercury that will carry 9.665 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Again, we will use the relation between atomic mass and Avogadro number of atoms, right? So atomic mass of mercury is, first of all, you'll see that atomic mass of mercury, it is 200.6 gram per mole, right? Now I'll apply the unitary method over here. So you can write 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of mercury has mass equal to 200.6 gram per mole. You'll write mole over here so that I can cancel mole inverse with this mole inverse, right? So again, 9.665 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of mercury has mass equal to, the value on the right side is taken in numerator, 200.6 gram per mole divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole into 9.665 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right? I'll cancel this atoms with this mole inverse with this mole inverse. I'll cancel this 10 raised to power 23 with this 10 raised to power 23, right? So 200.6 into 9.665, the answer will be 1938.8. Now divided by 6.022 units, gram only. So when you will divide 1938.8 with 6.022, the answer will be 321.95 gram. That means 9.665 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms that are present in 64.2 grams of calcium will have weight 321.95 when we will consider it in case of mercury.